Limkit Kay Mall is the biggest shopping mall in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Located in the city's central business district, particularly within the mixed use of 40-hectare Limkit Kay Center in Barangay Lapasan. The two-story mall has more than 500 tenants. The mall are composed of 4 cinemas, wide variety of restaurants and boutiques. Sometimes it is the venue of big events in Cagayan City. If you wish to visit Cagayan de Oro City, don't miss to visit Limkit Kay Mall. Wide floors to the mall, clean environment with a good ambience, colors and lights inside. After a detour in a mall, wide variety of restaurants to fill in your heart. Cinemas are ready for you to show new movies around. Shopping, don't worry. Inside the mall has a lot of boutiques to choose what you want. Come on guys, visit now Limkit Kay Mall. So if you visit Cagayan, don't forget to visit Limkit Kay Mall. It is one of the luxury mall in the city of Cagayan. So I hope you enjoy and you like my first vlog about Limkit Kay Mall here in Cagayan. Bye!